So recently I purchased this lens for $460. It is a full frame 24-70 f4 lens for my Sony A7. I want to go over why I bought this over, let's say, the Tamron 28-75. So like I said, I bought this for $460-70 on eBay used. It is like extremely good for the price. The image stabilization is really great in this lens, probably one of the best. The reason I bought this from the kit lens is the continuous f4. I needed that for filmmaking. I know it's not the fastest lens, but I didn't really see the need to go to f2.8. For that, I have this 50. My wide angle is f2.8. Yes, it would be great, but it's more of a luxury, not really a need for this lens. So yeah, this is the Sony Zeiss 24-70 f4. It's like just a different focal length of the Sony Zeiss 16-35, just a little bit not as wide and more zoom. I'm filming this summer. We have a couple video projects I've thought of. Me and Miles are gonna try to film 2 documentaries, well, documentaries for us, and I needed one of these for more versatile. 24-70 is like probably the best range you could get. I would like a little wider, but I also needed that 70, so 16-35 didn't have enough zoom. And I can't go around with this 51.8 or this 14 2.8. I needed the option to zoom, so that's why I got the 24-70. The Tamron 28-75, I was thinking about that a lot, but honestly, that extra 4mm to the 24 was worth it for me. I really like wide. Honestly, I still don't think this is really wide enough for like photography and vlogging, but you know, it does what it's supposed to. The autofocus on it is really great with my 7-year-old A7. The autofocus on this isn't the best in the industry, being that it's like 6 years old, but it's good enough for me. And with this lens, it's probably the fastest you could get it, and it just works great. I'll show some examples on the screen of what I've shot with it. So far, I've had really great experiences. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all metal except the barrel. I like a hard plastic, which is good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're a budget filmmaker, I would highly recommend this instead of, you know, like the $2,000 2.8 24-70. Just don't have the money. Got this for $460. Works great for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this short video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Consider sharing with a friend. See you next time.